What's up, y'all? So we gonna get right into it. As you can tell by the title, your girl has went ahead and picked up some Uggs. Yes, Uggs. They did drop some slides in extended sizes, which I'm excited about, but I don't know. I'm also feeling some type of way because I know they only did it to celebrate Pride Month, and it's like, girl, we got big feet all year. You know what I'm saying? So that's a whole nother story. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. We ain't gonna make this a long video or nothing. I just want to show y'all what I got. I went and picked up. I had one pair shipped to the store, and then I had another shipped to my house. Obviously, if you go in the store, you're gonna get a little Ugg bag like this. This mug right here. Which one is these? Okay, so I got these right here in a men's 11, women's 13. Most of y'all know I typically wear a size 13 in women's, but it can range from 13 to 14, you know, just depending on the shoe. In men's sneakers, I normally wear 11 and a half. But if I can get a 12, I'll get a 12, you know. But got these, like I said, in the men's 11, women's 13. And these are the Ugg Fluffy slides. So yeah, look at these, y'all. Ain't these cute? I was like, okay. Now I ain't gonna lie, I don't think that these are just like cute in the sense that I'm finna be trying to, you know, come up with fits and stuff to wear with it. Like I know a lot of people do that, like try to come up with outfits to pair their Uggs with. But I'm just like, I needed some house shoes. My Fenty slides is down there. I didn't beat their ass for 3 years, so I'm like, okay, well, it's time to get some new house shoes or whatever. So I got these, and y'all, they are super comfortable. Like I can't even cap. Like they super comfortable. You know, when you look at these shoes, you think like, oh, like you can't really wear these nowhere. These just for around the house, but the bottom is hard. You could definitely do some things. If it wasn't for the quarantine, I definitely would be sliding to class in these. Like they got some weight on them. Like it's not super heavy, but like it's hard enough so you know you're just not sliding around in soft fur all day, you know. But yeah, these are it. It's a purple, pink, blue combination. Like I thought this was a really cute combination. You wouldn't think these colors would be all that cute together, but like they really did that. I think they did a good job pairing. Now, when I clicked on these shoes, in my size, it says that these have a wider footbed than the normal Ugg Fluffy slides, and I'm not a wide foot girl. You know, I own wide shoes, but I'm really like more like a medium or whatever. So I was kind of like, okay, like, you know, how are these gonna fit? Like, I hope they not just sliding off my feet. Obviously, I got them for house shoes, so it wouldn't really matter that much. But, you know, I wanted them to fit since they got a strap or whatever. But to me, y'all, they not really necessarily wide like that. I feel like if you got a wide foot, then you could probably wear these. But I don't think like they just super wide to the point where it's like, you know, these are specifically made for wide feet. Like that's what they kind of advertised it as, but it's not really that. Like if you wear medium like me, then you're gonna be good. Just get your regular size. And yeah, so these are the first ones I got. I think these are gonna be my favorite because they darker. They on the darker side, so they're not gonna get as dirty. But let me see like for like the other one for y'all and just show y'all. Like, yeah, these bad boys are cute. Like I'm really excited to wear these. You know, my poor Fenty slides. I know they ready for a breather, so these are definitely gonna come in handy. And yeah, that's the first pair, y'all. They cost $100. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. That's pretty damn pricey for to say that these just some slides, but these are Uggs, so they're nice quality. You know, they're made of, like, I don't know what is it, sheep or lamb skin or some shit like that, but they super soft and comfortable. And if you like me and you just like, man, do I really want to pay $100 for some slides like that? Then obviously, not obviously, but if you go on the UGG website, they got quad pay and stuff. So you could just pay $25 up front, and then like every 2 weeks, then you just drop that $25. So that's a good thing, you know, for people who just may not be able to drop $100 on some slides like that. Okay, and this pair, I really didn't think I was gonna like them like that, but I like them. They super cute. I'm worried about, excuse me, I'm worried about if they're gonna get dirty fast. Like, I don't really know. I gotta figure out like what's the cleaning process for these things, but other than that, now, can y'all see that? Okay. So these are supposed to be symbolic of the transgender flag, which has these colors, I guess. Let me see if I can turn this light down a little bit so y'all can see it better. It's like a baby pink, kind of like an off-white, and like a pretty like sky blue or whatever. It's super cute. I wasn't expecting to like these like that, but I really do. Like, they super cute. I got these in the same size. I got them in a size 11 or a women's 13, a size 13. And yeah, like, they cute, y'all. Like, they cute. Look at that strap. I'm like, okay, now what I didn't know is that, like, just in the regular colors outside of the Pride collection, like, they go up to the size 12. So like, if y'all wear a size 12, then y'all can, you know, y'all can get y'all some Uggs, like in boots, slides, all of that. They go up to a size 12. And I'm like, damn, I wish I still wore a 12, because it seemed like nowadays everybody got a 12 now. Now that I'm a 13, everybody got a 12. So I'm like, damn, I wish I was a 12 still. But either way, you know, it's another place where we can get something. You know, I'm always happy to share with you guys the things that I find in our size. So I kind of just wanted to get on here right quick and share that with you guys. Is there anything else? Oh, damn, I don't feel like getting up. Anyways, I ended up getting 2 different sizes for the purple ones. I got them in obviously the ones I showed y'all, the men's 11, the women's 13, and I also got them in a men's 12, women's 14. And let me just say, like, I compared the shoes, and they not that much different in size, so I'm gonna have to figure out which ones I'm gonna return. But it's like, it's really not that much of a difference. I think the 14s might be a little tad bit wider than the 13s, but other than that, like, they damn near the same length. So I don't even know why they tried to play me like that. Like, I should have just stuck with what I got, but I was like, I don't know how these gonna fit. Is this gonna be a true 13 or not? So yeah, that's that. So yeah, guys, if y'all gonna, you know, if y'all want something to slide around in and y'all want to try these Uggs out, I would recommend. They do appear to be good quality. I haven't really wore them anywhere yet or anything like that, but they're super soft, you know. The colors are vibrant. It's just a cute little slide, you know. Nothing too much, nothing too fancy, you know. So yeah, that's that on that. I just wanted to get on here and show y'all that right quick. Like I said, I would recommend that you get them if you got it to give. If not, you know, like I said, you could do the quad pay, or you could just pay a dust, you know, because they not, like I said, they're not nothing fancy or nothing like that. So it ain't nothing to write home about. But you know, if you're looking for some house shoes or something like that, or you just want to try them, then go ahead and do it. I would recommend. So that's that on that. And once again, thank y'all for coming to my channel. I see my channel growing now. I get a lot of support from different demographics, you know, and I'm appreciative of that. I know it's hard out here for for us tall girls, or us plus size girls, or us women who got big feet. So I am always happy to come on here and just share with y'all all the different options that we have. And yeah, thank y'all so much. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that for your girl. And I will see y'all on the next video. Deuces.